see the continuation of the same topic. Surekha and Sunita are partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 as follows. Say here also 2017 is there, here also 2017 is there. You make it 2018. 31st March 2017 as follows. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Creditors 1,50,000, general reserve 50,000. Capital Surekha 1,20,000, Sunita 80,000. Like that, cash at bank 50,000, stock 50,000, furniture 1,20,000, debtors 40,000, buildings 1 lakh, investments 40,000, totally 4 lakhs. On 1/4/2018, Kavita admitted into the partnership on the following terms. She brings rupees 60,000 as her capital and rupees 20,000 towards goodwill for 1/4 share in the future profits. Goodwill is withdrawn by old partners. Depreciate furniture at 10% and appreciate building by 22,000. Investments are to be revalued at rupees 50,000. Provide outstanding salary rupees 2,000. So here, by buildings, appreciation is given 22,000. By investments, market value is 50,000, book value is 40,000, net increase is 10,000. So coming to the next to furniture account. Furniture account, say value of the furniture is 1,20,000 into 10 by 100, that is 1,000, 12,000. Next, to outstanding salary 2,000. Outstanding salary 2,000. So on the credit side is 32,000, on the debit side is 14,000. To partners capital account, partners capital account, here ratios are not given. It is assumed that ratio is not given. It is assumed that they are sharing equally. Surekha and Sunita 18,000 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 9,000 and 9,000, total outer column 18,000. So totally 32,000. Now all partners capital account. Particulars. Surekha rupees, Sunita rupees, Kavita rupees. Particulars: Surekha rupees. Sunita, rupees. Kavita, rupees. It is all partners capital account by balance brought down. By balance brought down, that is 1,20,000, 1,20,000, 80,000 dash. By cash account, brought 60,000. By goodwill account, say goodwill account is 20,000, 20,000 in 1:1, that is 10,000, 10,000 to goodwill account withdrawn, that is 10,000, 10,000 dash. By revaluation account, nine thousand dash. Goodwill over 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. By general reserve, 50,000 in 1:1, 25,000, 25,000 dash. See, 60,000 is there. Here 4, 1,24,000 here 4, carry 1, 1,64,000. Say to balance carry down, transferred 1,64,000 minus 10,000, 1,54,000. Here 1,24,000. 1,24,000 minus 10,000, 1,14,000. 60,000 as usual. One lakh 64,000. 1,24,000, 60,000. As on new balance sheet of the firm as on 1/4/2018. See now assets. Go to the cash at bank. Cash at bank is there 50,000 and less withdrawn 20,000, 1,10,000 in the outer column. 1,10,000 in the outer column. Next is the stock. Stock, no information directly right here. That is 50,000. Next, debtors, no information about the debtors. Furniture, 1,20,000 less depreciation at the rate of 10%, 1,000, 12,000, 1,08,000. Next is the debtors directive right. Debtors 40,000. Buildings 1 lakh. Add evaluation 22,000. 1,22,000. Investments 50,000. Here creditors 1,50,000. Outstanding salary 2,000. Capitals Surekha, Sunita, Kavita. Here 1,54,000, 1,14,000, 60,000, 8,000, 2, 3,28,000. Totally 4,80,000, 4,80,000. Four lakh 80,000. See, once again, I will explain. See here, furniture is there. Furniture account, see 1,20,000, 10%, so 12,000. Outstanding salary is there. That is, outstanding salary 2,000, payable not paid, so 2,000. Coming to the buildings, automatically it is 22,000. We have recorded it is an increase, means it is a profit. Investments, opening balance sheet, with the opening balance sheet that is 40,000. Now it is increased to 50,000. 10,000 is the net increase. So 32,000 on the credit side minus 14,000 on the debit side. We will get 18,000 is the revaluation profit. So nothing information about the profit sharing ratio is not given. So assume that they are sharing equally. Based on that, 9,000, 9,000. 18,000, 1 by 2, 18,000, 1 by 2. And coming to the by balance brought down, that is 1,20,000 plus 80,000, that is 2 lakh. And cash brought by the newly admitted partner, cash in the form of capital. And goodwill, we brought the goodwill, that is also shared equally. And revaluation account, that is 9,000, 9,000, 9,000, 9,000 is there. And reserve fund 50,000 is there, that is 1:1. So totally 1,64,000. And withdrawn, that is withdrawn 20,000. Withdrawn means 10,000, 10,000. 1,64,000 minus 10,000, 1,54,000. 1,54,000 minus 10,000, 1,14,000. Nothing is there on the debit side, so 60,000 as it is. Coming to the cash at bank, this is the opening value, 50,000 is there, plus Kavita brought for the capital, rupees 60,000, goodwill brought 20,000, totally 1,30,000. In that, 20,000 amount withdrawn by the partners, less 1,10,000 is there. After that, stock, no adjustment, furniture, 1,20,000, less 10%, 1,20,000 into 10 by 100, that is 12,000. When we deduct this, we will get 1,08,000. Debtors, no adjustment, 40,000. Buildings, 1 lakh plus revaluation, 22,000 increase in the value of the building, 1,22,000. Investments, 40,000 plus revaluation is 10,000, totally 50,000. Here, creditors, 1,50,000 is there. 1,50,000 creditors is there. And outstanding salary, I already told you. Capitals, 1,54,000, 1,14,000, 60,000. So 1,48,000, 1,48,000, sorry, 4,80,000, 4,80,000, both the sides. This is the problem. Note down the problem properly. This is revaluation account, first account. With the help of adjustments, we should find out the revaluation profit or loss. In this problem, there is a profit of 18,000 that is distributed to the old partners, but profit sharing ratio is not given. We assumed that they are sharing equally. For that, 18,000 shared 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And next is there all partners capital account, including the admitted partner Kavita. So only Kavita's column on the credit side, only capital brought by her, that will be recorded. Nothing will come to her. And on the debit side, goodwill account is there. That goodwill account withdrawn, 20,000 goodwill brought by the new partner. That amount withdrawn in the old ratio, that is 1:1. And goodwill shared to the both the partners, and revaluation account profit recorded, and reserve fund 50,000 is there, that is 1:1, 25,000, 25,000. And coming to the, which are the appreciate is there, or increase in the value is there, those are added on the asset side. And which are the depreciations are there, that should be deducted, and withdrawn should be deducted. And creditors, outstanding salary, capitals, both both old partners as well as the new admitted partner, totally 4,80,000, 4,80,000. Page number 37, problem number 6.